Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by enabling the keyboard so emojis are available system-wide. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard. This is where iOS manages input methods. Tap Keyboards, choose Add New Keyboard, and select Emoji from the list. Once done, make sure Emoji shows in your Keyboards list. That tells iOS to load the layout. If you use multiple languages, note the emoji key sits next to the spacebar and switches between enabled keyboards automatically. Now practice switching into the emoji layout so you can access symbols quickly. Open Messages or Notes and tap the globe or smiley face next to the spacebar. That toggles keyboards instantly. Once an emoji, use the category bar at the bottom to jump to people, food, activities, or symbols, and swipe left or right to see more. Tap and hold on many emojis to reveal skin tones or gender variants, then release to insert your chosen version. Finish by saving frequently used emojis and knowing simple fixes. Rely on the Recents tab for favorites, or long press an emoji and choose a variant to speed future access. If emojis don't appear, go back to Settings, right arrow keyboard and re-add emoji, or update iOS because new emoji require current software. If the keyboard misbehaves, try resetting the keyboard dictionary. That clears corrupt shortcuts without deleting keyboards. These steps restore normal emoji input quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.